for over a decade, but recently they found that controversy has come home to roost in their very own backyard. An infestation of Canadian brown finches, which is a small I guess I should have seen that one coming, huh?
When Monique Vanderstroom first opened her Waianae dairy farm in 2008, she wanted to sell milk, but all the rules and permitting required to bottle the milk made it difficult for the small farmer to do so. Did he just like my...
Don't make unnecessary journeys. Don't take risks on treacherous roads. And don't swim in the sea. Incredibly, people have been spotted in the water here in Blackrock and Salt Hill both today and yesterday.
Hi, this is Chuck Storm. I'm live at the scene where last night there was a robbery at about 3:30 in the morning. Now police have... Hi, this is Chuck Storm. I'm live at the scene where last night there was a robbery at about 3:30 in the morning. Now police have...
Quelle surprise la seconde boulangerie du jour réserve-t-elle à notre jury? La réponse dans le charmant village de Saint-Céré.
Quite as hot and humid as it's going to be in the next few days, Charlie and Lou.
Oh, Carol, don't look behind you.
Don't.
Which today has been described as saturated, not by rain but by houses. Thousands have been built here over the...
You at that. We'll leave it at that.
Oh, he's running down my back!
Essa moça apareceu ali, cara. Olha o gurgurém, onde é que ele tá lá, ó? 3,5 metros de altura. Olha o gurgurém lá. Olha o gurgurém. Olha o gurgurém lá, olha lá. Não tem pra onde ele escapar. Quero ver onde é que ele vai. Não tem pra onde ir. Olha o gurgurém.
Do Brasil!
Marching baritones. Here's one right here. Plus, you know I love the tuba. It's one of my favorite instruments. Listen to this.
He lost the microphone.
He lost his mic down the tuba. Are you kidding me?
That's not a tuba, by the way.
Oh, what is it?
It's a sousaphone.
Oh, a sousaphone.
Did he get it out?
It looked
oh,
like a
it's
tuba
stuck
at
in the
first.
valve
Oh,
someplace.
no.
Uh-oh, boy, are you going to get yelled at.
He's going to have to buy that guy a new instrument. Oh, there it is.
Oh, there it is.
victory. We'll see you again soon.
Oh.